Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, K.L.E Group Limited, resignation of board member here, well-known financier and Ready TV principal, that's advisory, that Christopher Daring has resigned as director effective May 24th, 2022 of K.L.E Group. Now, GraceKennedy's Limited 2030 vision released to the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange. This is GK's 2030 vision and mission is to become the #1 Caribbean brand in the world. We really like this. Many companies don't do this on the JSE, perhaps none, but GK here coming out strong, on fire here. Some of the points that they make: 70% of the revenues and profits are to be earned outside of Jamaica. You're talking about 2.1 billion in revenues on an annualized basis. You're talking about they earn something like, $1 billion US, so they're on target for that this year. Now 250 million US in profit before tax. And GK Financial Group and GK Foods, we like this. This is something that we saw internationally. Now SVL, Supreme Ventures Limited, trading in shares. Advisory that on May 18th, a connected party bought up 10,000 SVL shares. Talk about the trend is your friend. Now, popular Dolla Financial Services Limited, the IPO, it opens up tomorrow. Goes for the IPO here for max value, $500 million deal. It's a combined sale. You're talking about 250 million new money, 250 million going to existing shareholders. Bottom line here, some details on the deal. 7 locations in Jamaica. Also, a division or company in Guyana expanding overall. When you look at the loan book overall, extremely strong brand. It's like a US meme stock, type of energy. It's giving off good vibes in the marketplace. Loan book growth has been significantly above average for Dolla, increasing from 215 million in 2019 to $750 million in 2021. Talk about those numbers, 3x over 3 years or so. Huge numbers. Total loans, net of loss provisions, closed last year, 2021, at $750 million, 750.5 million. As you mentioned, the IPO opens tomorrow. As lead analyst John Jackson mentioned, IC Insider, it's expected to sell across the board, off the charts, off the board. May 27th, 2022, it opens 9 a.m. Last up tonight, we got GraceKennedy, twice as nice. GK takes majority stake in Bluedot here. GK, the deal comes out by Don Webby, the deal to provide to GK the private equity investment in Bluedot Data Intelligence, the foundation for it to become the Caribbean's leading strategic insights consultancy. GK will not be directly involved in the management of Bluedot, and GK Advisory states that it has a view to possibly take Bluedot to the market, IPO the company or to the stock market in the long term. They don't say the specific date. They got to get the company moving, providing certain criteria are in place. Of course, Bluedot previously owned by SSLVC, and clearly here, SSLVC has bestowed a gift to GraceKennedy Group. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic evening.